Hey guys, it's Jeffrey. I'm normally a Friday, but I guess news is like on Mondays now, and I'm walking in a circle, and practically I was supposed to do news today, and I didn't know, but I am doing news, but I'm gonna do it vlogging. There are not going to be jump cuts because I have like zero time to edit this. Okay. Let's get on to the news, I guess. Oh, maybe that's gonna be a jump cut. Okay, so in the news, iOS 8 is supposed to come out. That's gonna be exciting. I did not know I was supposed to do news this week. Elijah, a text would have been appreciated like yesterday. I have finals this week. I have my math final tomorrow. Oh, no, I don't. I have my English final tomorrow, and then I have my math final and my orchestra final on Wednesday, and then summer vacation. VidCon is in 24 days. I'm counting down the days. I really am excited to go. It's currently like 104 degrees outside. Goodness gracious. Kim Kardashian and Kanye West got married. Interesting. So yeah, that is going to be the news of the week. I am sorry this was short. I was not aware that I was supposed to do this. So yeah. Sorry, Elijah. It's like a minute and 40 seconds. Oops. Okay, so I will see you guys on Friday. Subscribe to my main channel, and also there's a quiz down below for like most overrated things for my channel for a video series that I'm starting. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. So I will see you guys this Friday. Yeah, okay, bye.
Still stunned how you love that. Got the whole world asking how I does that. Hot